In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to perform a Black Flash as the King of Curses in Jujutsu Shenanigans. You will be able to do it by using your third ability, Divergent Fist. What you have to do is tap this ability twice, right as it connects with the opponent. So, something that I recommend is that you join a private server if you still want to practice this, and you tap on this plus sign, go over to players, and make sure that you have no cooldowns. This is going to allow you to practice it as much as you want, so you will be able to spam the ability, and even if you miss, you will still be able to use it again without waiting for the cooldown. You will be able to do the Black Flash against dummies or against real players. I recommend using Shift Lock, but this does not matter. So all that you have to do is press Divergent Fist, and what you will notice is that when you use Divergent Fist, your character pulls their arm back and then releases some energy forward. All that you have to do is tap Divergent Fist again right as your character pulls their arm back. If you are able to get the timing down, you will see some red sparks go off, indicating that you got the Black Flash. So it is going to look like this. So if you see the red sparks instead of the blue animation, it means that you got a Black Flash. If it connects with the opponent, you will also see this big explosion go off. It is very obvious when you got the Black Flash because your screen is going to shake. So all that you have to do is tap Divergent Fist. Once your character pulls their arm back, you press it again. If you miss the timing like I did there, you will just see the normal Divergent Fist move. But if you are able to get it just right, you will see this animation instead, and this indicates a Black Flash. So all that you have to do is practice this timing. As you can see, it is very doable to get this reliably. You can absolutely learn the timing, and eventually you will be able to do it without even paying attention to your character's arm. So you will just learn the timing, and you will be able to do it off muscle memory. You can do it as a King of Curses, and you will be able to use Divergent Fist as the Black Flash. Of course, I'm doing this with no cooldowns. If you are doing this on a real server, then you will have to wait for the cooldown. Even if you miss or you get the Black Flash, the cooldown is still going to be applied, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to Black Flash Jujutsu Shenanigans mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.